So yesterday just we discussed about Android features and all something like now, like history and all we discussed, right? So today here we will concentrate on Android version wise features. So here we have there are different versions. So each version has some features as well as some drawbacks. So that we will see here one by one. So first one, the first version, which is that is a cupcake. So the first version, the cupcake has released in 2009. So in this one, maybe now if we will observe these features, we feel that these all are the very basic features, but those days, these all are very huge and high features. So first one is this is the screen auto rotation, like portrait to landscape to that portrait. That is a auto rotation of the screen. So this is the auto rotation of the screen. The feature has introduced in this, and dictionary option. So dictionary option while searching that dictionary option as enabled. And next is the copy paste only in browser. In the first version, it is only in browser. So, but the other side that will be okay. But here it is only in a browser. The copy paste is available. Then after that, some of the widgets like that is introduced. That is widgets like analog clock, calendar, then music player, etc. So these all are introduced in this version. So next year, next thing. So next version, donut. So in a donut means in initial versions, initial all versions has 3 to 4, maximum 5 like that. Once we'll enter into certain level that latest versions. So there we have more features, but initial all like this only. So in this, the quick search feature has introduced. Quick search feature has introduced. Then next, user can able to connect the VPN virtual private network, like some of the areas like companies by security, because of the security reasons, the people will install that VPN. So that VPN setup will be done here, this first one. Then after that, voice search also added here, voice search. Like nowadays we are using okay, good, like that voice search is added here. And next after that here, so then after that, the battery indicator, like how much the battery percentage is there, that battery indicator has also introduced. And also here in this, Play Store has introduced, means this version has released in 2009 itself. So 2009, the Play Store has introduced, right? So that time it is introduced here. So the Play Store has introduced here. And then after that, get like some of the gestures animation means nowadays in latest mobiles we are seeing like the back button is not there on mobiles, right? Just with the finger tap that we can control back and front like that, right? So that will be in this. So only these all are the features here. Next year now, the next version which is here. So that is Eclair. So in this Eclair here now, this is the first in this, the Bluetooth. So previous versions is not supported the Bluetooth. Here now that introduced as a Bluetooth support. Then also here the keyboard would be has uh, keyboard has that like more accuracy, like compared to the previous one. Here it will be speed and it will be okay. Previously it was little bit slow, but now it will be whatever the user expectation is reached that. From this version onwards, user can create dynamic apps like which is communicating to their own server like that. They can do able to that servers and support zoom in, zoom out, supports zoom in and zoom out. So previously this is only in browser, but previously it was not there. Now we can able to do that. And in this, just they got one drawback. So that is no Adobe. So no Adobe flashings. So no Adobe Flash means here like what happens here? No Adobe Flash means those days the Adobe Flash is one of the main and important because a lot of things it should be there on that PDF reader and animations. Everything will be dependent on those days on this only. So that is not there in this version, right? So after that, the next version is introduced, that is Proyo. So in a Proyo, so first of all, the previous drawback has resolved. So it supports Adobe because to attract the user immediately, what is the drawback it is came. And from this version onwards, it will support multi-language. So it will support multi-language and day come on night mode, day and night mode. Here it will support both modes. It will support. So for security reasons, device policy manager. So device policy manager has introduced. So because of these, all are the small things. That's why just I'm going quickly. If you have any question, just ping me so that I can check there from there. And next thing is the crash reporting has introduced. So like once I have released the application in a Play Store, so that will be installed by some of the users. That I don't know who installed my application, but unfortunately, the app got crashed. Then to get that information here, now that will be here, that crash reporting has enabled here this. So that is the one here this now. And after that, in this, there is a hotspot also introduced. One more feature that is a hotspot also. User can use hotspot feature also introduced from here. Then no internet calling. So user there no internet calling option is available here. So means those days mostly it is on a Skype. So that is not available in this option. So that is the drawback of this option, right? Then after now, if we can go with the next one, so that is gingerbread. So in this gingerbread also here, like some of the things like first of all, as of now, they are releasing the features, but they are not concentrated anything on UI related. So yeah, 2009 and 10 those days. Like after the Proyo, this will be this Gingerbread is also 10. After that, the next version has came. Till this is in a 2010 only. So now that is here, they concentrated first step on a UI related. As of now, they're not concentrating anything on that. Here the UI to attract the users. So UI is important and UI design as well as the efficiency, speed. So such kind of things as introduced in this version. Next, that is internet calling issue resolved. So internet calling issue got resolved here in this version. Next is the one touch copy paste, like copy paste everywhere. So previously it was only on browser. Now copy paste everywhere, anywhere in this, we can do that. Next thing here, data encoding and decoding. This is also for security reasons. Encoding and decoding has introduced this data encoding as well as the encoding. So up to this, it is okay. But again, here got one drawback, that is not supporting multi-core processor. So not supporting to multi-core. So what is this multi-core processor? As of now, they are tying up with only one company, that is the HTC. So whatever the hardware the HTC is using, they are continuing with that. But from this version onwards, some of the other people has shown interest to come on this area. So that time they tried with the different things. So that time it is not supporting further with the different hardware. So that immediately it is resolved in next version. So honeycomb, it is immediately it is resolved. So, but that time they specified that, okay, if you want to come with this, it should come with minimum hardware. So here that is the support multi-core, but manufacturer should come with minimum something hardware configuration, it should come that. Then next is the here in this HTTP live streaming. So like live streaming, we can able to see that live streaming right nowadays, TV and all. So like that kind of live streaming, it will support only in this two, because the major issue that has resolved, then it will be this only these two. Then after that, the next version here on the next version. So that is ice cream sandwich. So this ice cream sandwich. So this is in the year of 2011, right? In the year of 2011. So in this now, the first one is the home screen folder. Like nowadays, so nowadays we are using that different thing, right? That is like all banking application in a single folder, like social media, banking. So like that kind of things it is introduced. Next one could be here, virtual button on a UI. So UI we can create, or like in a home page, we can create extra some app shortcuts and all that we can create. So that is a virtual button on a UI that we can create here. This. This Yeah, so this is the virtual button introduced. And the next one is that swipe to clear the notification. So user want like left to right swipe to clear the notification just by swiping this. So swipe to clear notification. So user swipe to clear the notification, like whatever the notifications will come, so that you can swipe to clear notification, so that they can able to do that, swipe to clear the notification. And after this, in this any other feature as they like a screenshot. So you can screenshot share. So take the screenshot and you can share the screenshot that you can able to do in this. In this version, only these are the features, right? So the next version we will go. So the next version will be here. Now that is the jelly beans. So in jelly beans. So this jelly beans here in it is in a 2012. So in this first one is the autocomplete. So autocomplete means like that in our autocomplete text in our contact search, how I want to search the contact, like I want to enter something, right? So that you can able to add and enter something, so that we have to add that thing, like that we have to, I want to search your name. So like Ashish. So I search AH. So automatically the age related filter will filter, right? So that's the kind of thing. So that we have to like that we can say has the autocomplete, means while we are entering the data, those other things automatically is updating that. So that we have to do that. So that is the one. And after that, again, the smoother UI. So that UI related, some of the things has updated, smoother UI. So next won't be here. So in this location accuracy, so that location related accuracy has introduced here. Also from this version onwards, user can do multitasking. So at a time, you can do multitasking. At a time, you can do the multitasking. So these all are in this version side, right? After that, next version. So that is the KitKat. So in a KitKat, this is in year 2013. So in this, the battery management has introduced. Just a minute. I'm getting one client call. Hello. Okay. So now what we are doing here now, that is battery management. Then after that, in this next battery management means like we can able to manage like after 30% of my battery, I have to stop some of the apps that we can search. Then after that, okay, Google feature has introduced. Then next step would be here cloud printer. So we can connect with the cloud printer like Wi-Fi printer. We can connect with the Wi-Fi printer from this version onwards. Also cloud storage. So once whatever the photos, contacts we are saving, right, that could be saved automatically in the cloud. So that we have to do that. Then multitasking. So previously the multitasking are there, but here it got some issues. So that multitasking related issues has resolved and it will working properly from this version. Then next version. So that is Lollipop. So here there is a major change. This was in 2014. So the complete architecture has changed from 32-bit to 64-bit architecture has updated. So the complete architecture has updated here from 32-bit to 64-bit architecture. So because of this reason here, it is supporting from watch to TV. So everything it will support from watch to TV, it will support everything. Then, so that's it. And the quick settings. So in a quick setting, we have right in a just tap from some of the phones, it will from top, some of the phones, it will bottom, right? So that quick settings, you can customize the menu, quick setting customization. So that you can able to quick setting customization, you can able to do that. So this is these are other things you can do this. Right, in this only this, because the complete major change is the architecture. So like next will be here marshmallow. So in this now, based on previous architecture has changed, right? Based on that, design changes has done. Design changes. Next could be here Google on tap, like in case of lock. Also, once you click on that, Google page will be open like that. And file explorer. So previously there is no file explorer, like file manager could not be there. So that is introduced here, this, and the battery indicator on the top, like battery percentage, how much the battery percentage is there. So that was not there previously. Now that fixed, that is kept here. Next is the security. So that runtime permission. So previously there is no runtime permission. Now it has added a runtime permissions. Like runtime permission means nowadays when we install the app, it is asking that to allow contacts permission, allow camera permission, right? So that kind of permissions it is asking here. This that is from this version. So and next and today's this is the last topic. So that is a Nagour. So this Nagour year, this is in the year of 2016. So in this list we have more than 5, 6 to 7 features as here now. First one is the battery power optimization. So battery power optimization. So that battery power optimization is nothing but here now that is like battery power improves like when mobile is in ideal. Like I'm not using mobile for 15 to 20 minutes. That we can treat as ideal time. So that time it will reduce very less compared to the previous one. That is the first. The next is a better notification menu. So better notification menu. The thing here like it is here this time the Firebase has introduced. So using the Firebase easily we can send notification and receive notification. That is made easy, simple this. Next is the data saver mode. User can set up the data saver mode, like I can set up my data saver mode will be 100 MB. After once 100 MB data has completed, it will give an alert. So that is here this. Next is the arrange quick settings menu. So arrange quick settings menu. So here now we can able to set up that quick settings, whatever you want, order. Like I want the Bluetooth first, Wi-Fi second, like that. Order you can able to add this. Next, enable power notifications. So like you have to enable power notification auto. Previously it was introduced in a previous version, power notification, but here it is similar. But like what happens once my battery is 30%, automatically it should go to the sleep mode, like color change, sleep mode, like that settings you can able to do that power notifications. We want that alerts it will give, that will be enabled in our test, that we can able to do that. Next is the app shortcuts. So we can create app shortcuts in home screen so that we can create app shortcuts. Next could be here pin to share. So pin to share, like I want to share one document or one image, whatever it is. So that once I click on this, automatically what are the shareable options available, that all will come in a list so that easy we can share. Next could be file manager. So enhanced and some enhancement on the file manager. Enhanced file manager. So something has enhanced in the file manager side. So that is like display the size, space. So that file, if you select any file, that will show that this much size, like that it will show that. Next is the mono audio, like who are using the Bluetooth with single. So for them, this will be mono jack audio will help to get a full clarity audio on that. So that is a help in this. And emergency info like that. This is emergency info. Let us say I have set navigation from my location to office location. While I go back on the navigation, but once there is any traffic jam, use traffic jam kind of thing, that automatically with voice alert it will give that okay, the turn right, there is huge traffic, like that it will give auto alerts. That is here. Next could be here night mode. So use previously day and night mode is there, but that user cannot define. But from here now, whenever user want to set automatically, like now I want to enable night mode, you can enable. Now we want this day mode, that user can enable that. So these all are the up to Nagout. So the next version features you will see on tomorrow's class. Right? You have any questions? Hope it is clear. Then we will connect.